everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant November release. Today we are going to take a look at noodle sayings, which matches perfectly with yesterday's Samstead Oodles of Noodles. Remember to leave a comment on these release videos for a chance to enter a drawing to win a prize from Mama Elephant. The release will be available on November 15th. Here's a look at noodle sayings, and it's a sentiment stamp set that matches and coordinates with the Oodles of Noodles stamp set that we saw yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and read all of the sentiments. I ramen burr your birthday. Instant BFFs. I love that one. You've got a friend in me for sure. Thanks for all you do. Friends forever. You make me so happy. Yum. Hope your day is delish. Udon. Look a year older. Happy birthday. Have a phenomenal birthday. You mean so much to me. Have a super awesome day. And have oodles and oodles of fun on your special day. Here's a look again at Oodles of Noodles, which we took a look at yesterday. I did color up some of these images to use on our project today. So I thought I would make a project today that I would make in real life and that I would give my friends. And if you're a friend of mine, you know I would totally do this. So today we're going to make instant noodle gift baskets. And for the gift baskets, I'm going to make tags with this stamp set. So I'm going to use a Book Market die set, which I purchased several years ago, never did get to use, so I did want to use it, and I thought it was a really great size for the gift bags that I want to make. I'm just doing some simple ink blending, and I want to maintain the integrity of that border, so I'm just masking it off with some Post-it note tape. I'm using Distress Oxide ink in Tattered Rose, Cracked Pistachio, and Kitsch Flamingo. I did pre-color some images from the Oodles of Noodles stamp set, and I feel so bad for not coloring it with you guys. But I did color 3 images, and I'm going to place it on my bookmark tag and stamp out one of the sentiments from the Noodle Saying stamp set. So this one is have a phenomenal day. And then I'm just simply adhering the image to the tag. So my ink pad did me wrong, did me dirty, because I don't know what was wrong with the ink in my ink pad. It was just very juicy. So some of my stamping looks a little bit blotchy, but we moved forward. So part of this die set includes some hearts, and I wanted to add some texture at the top. It's tone on tone, so it's hard to see on camera, but I did add 4 little hearts to the top of each tag, just to add a little bit of interest up there. It looks super painful to watch me pick up these little hearts and adhere them to the tags, but I think picking it up is the best way. I have all these different tools to pick up little things, and I always just end up using my hands anyways, so we're just adhering them. It's just I think there were 12 little hearts that I adhered, and there was 4 on each tag. So this part of the video is looking a little rough. We did not have enough room on my table, but I'm going to put together, I said gift baskets earlier, I meant gift bags. So I always keep these clear bags on hand. I get them from Daiso, and I always have shred on hand too. So I raided my pantry, and then also I went with my friend to Mitsuwa, an Asian grocery store, over the weekend, and we picked up this ramen, and I had not tasted that one yet. I'm have you bought this before? Does it taste good? And she said yes. So she cleared that package of ramen. And then we also ate at the food court. And I'm like, what else should I put in my little, baggie? And so she's like, chopsticks. And I'm like, okay. So I didn't use my chopsticks for what we ate because I don't know how to use chopsticks. So I just saved my chopsticks from like my meal that day. So I'm adding that on here. I think it looks cute with the noodles. Um, I'm also adding a spam single. And I'm so sad because I went to like, I don't know, 3 different stores looking for regular spam singles, and all I came home with was 3 spam single in the light version. I like the regular version. I mean, I don't eat spam all the time, and when I eat it, I want it to be like the regular version. So I'm adding like a pack of like instant noodles, some seaweed snacks, and then also the single packet of spam in each of these little gift baskets. I think they came out so cute. And I also bought some haichu, which is like a candy, and I was supposed to sprinkle them in, but I forgot. This one, I'm going to use the instant BFF sentiment for this one, for the curry. That curry cup noodle, which it was like all over YouTube at one point, like years ago, and you couldn't find it. And now they have it at the regular grocery store. So I did go ahead and buy that. I also did give it a taste test because I bought 2 of them, and it tastes okay. It like has like a gravy consistency, and it tastes really good, and it has little pieces of potato in it. I always wanted to try it because everyone loved it on YouTube. I think it's all right. It's not like incredible, but it's not yucky, and it's good. It's like above average. So my favorite is that shin in that red packaging. It's just really super convenient. It's like spicy, and right now that's like my go-to like instant noodle. It was really fun like putting these together, and I got hungry, so that's why I taste tested the other curry, because I bought 2 of them. And I have to photograph the tags first. So I'm going to be attaching these to the packages in a bit. So this is what it looks like when you like adhere the tag. I think it looks so cute. And I love how it matches the product inside. I added the little spam single because typically I'll throw a little spam into my instant noodle along with like an egg too. And that is it. I'm calling these tags and gift bags done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I will see you tomorrow for the last introduction video. Bye, guys.